In this video, let's take a look at images of these swallows and discuss the lens and camera settings that I used to click these remarkable birds. Even though I set my ISO to 640, the shutter speeds of these pictures are still below 1/200th of a second. And that's where we got to commend the stabilization, VR or IS, depending on which brand of cameras that you use, because these modern lenses are superb with image stabilization, and we can click sharp pictures with 500mm lenses even at 1/60th of a second. The swallows perched together look like they're having a committee meeting on how to avoid my camera. It's like they're gossiping about me. Look at that human freezing out here for no reason. I clicked these images with the Nikon 500mm PF lens, which is a super lightweight 500mm lens. So you can go on clicking all day and not end up with sore arms at the end of it. I discuss lenses in more detail in my book, Wildlife Photography Explained. You can find the link in the description. This video isn't over yet. I have plenty more useful tips to share with you that will help improve your photography. I'd also love to hear your questions, thoughts, or observations. I make sure to read and reply to every comment. You can also learn wildlife photography from me directly through video calls. This way, you'll get the individual attention that you need to tackle your specific challenges. Please have a look at my website for more information. I clicked these swallows on the 1st of January 2024. I said, come what may, I'm going to be on that boat and I'm going to be clicking pictures in Bharatpur on the 1st of January. I spent about a total of 3 or 4 months in Bharatpur from November 23 till about February 24 clicking all these magnificent birds and animals. But I was kind of getting lazy to get up too early and go to the park because it was bitterly cold. It was one of the coldest Januaries. There was a cold wave in northern India, but I woke up and I went. It was bitterly cold and also foggy. By the time I got to the boat and we got to this place where the swallows were, the fog still hadn't lifted. So I had to wait quite a bit for the fog to lift just slightly because it was a very thick fog. The lesson that we learn over here is to try and spend as much time as possible when you get a sighting of a good bird or animal, rather than just click a few pictures and walk away. Even if it's a very common bird, something that you've clicked before, there's great advantage in spending as much time as possible and trying to click it from as many different angles as possible. Over here, these swallows were sitting on this branch and then they would fly away and all of them would then come back, and we circled the branch that they would sit on in our boat, and I got different angles, some unique pictures that I never thought I would get of swallows. And the only reason why I could get so close and get some of these pictures is because they were also feeling quite cold and lazy to fly away. So if once they sensed that we were not of any danger to them because of our very subtle movements and very slow, we approached them very slowly, and for that reason they analyzed that we are no threat to them and they stayed put and gave me all these magnificent photo opportunities. Weather plays a very important role in the kind of sightings that we get. In the winters, birds, animals tend to be slightly more sluggish, and that's when we can spend more time with them because they think twice before wandering off. So as long as they sense that we are no threat to them, they continue to just be there and give us magnificent photo opportunities. Some creatures, such as jackals, they need to keep moving in the winter in order to keep warm, and it's also their mating season in the winter. So different animals have different ways in which they change or alter their behavior with respect to nature. Understanding how different creatures respond to climate to different climates and temperatures is very important before you set out to locate wildlife in jungles. Now you have a better understanding about wildlife photography, which will help you to click better pictures. Keep building on your knowledge by watching this next video where I show you how to click super fast shutter speed photographs of these chiffchaffs.